Hello, everybody. This is Dari here. Hope you're well. Right, today I want to bring you a topic. It's more of a discussion rather than training today. I want to have a chat with you, especially about the psychology in trading. So, the question is, should you give up trading? Should I give up trading? There are a lot of reasons why people might give up trading, and we've seen a lot of issues with opening a live account, and this live account got decimated. The live account got blown out. The live account got wiped out. You know, so with this setback, a lot of people will give up. Some people will never touch trading again, which is perfectly all right because you can't keep losing your money, and you don't have a hope of getting it back. So if you cut your losses at that point, it's okay. But we have some people that persevere, the people that keep standing up. Each time they get knocked down, they stand up again. But when they stand up, they are more wiser. They learn from their mistake. They learn the reason why they fell in the first place, the reason why their account got blown out, the reason why they fail. Then they correct the mistake and they move on. They try again. So let me give example of myself. Fortunately today, I was traveling from my usual place. I live not far from London. I was going to Leeds, so it's up north in the United Kingdom. So I just came up to this site to make this recording for you. As I'll use myself as an example. Okay, a few years ago, I opened an account. I funded it with 1,000 US dollar, 1,500 US dollar. I've practiced on a demo account and I've seen that the strategy work. So I opened a live account. So what happened is, within 3 months, using the same strategy I used on demo, I took the account from $1,500 to 5,000 US dollars within 3 months. Okay. In any sense, in any trading standard, that is a good return. That's about over 300% in 3 months. Okay, that's the good part. Okay, the not so good part is that as my account continued to grow, I start taking too many trades and I start increasing my trade size. The lot size get bigger and bigger and bigger because I've seen that my account is growing. So the way I traded when my account was $1,500 changed. So when my account was about $3,000, I was taking higher risk. $4,000, even higher risk. And I didn't make any withdrawals. So I was just piling up the money, thinking I'm going to grow this account to $1 million, as most of us will be thinking. Have you been there? Yeah. I know you're saying, yeah, you've thought like that. Yes. So that's exactly what happened. Within 3 months, I see my account over $5,000. Very happy. One day, because of this heavy volume of lots I was taking, I got a margin call. You know what a margin call is? Definitely. It is when the broker says, hey, the amount of positions you have open, the remaining capital could not sustain it. Therefore, we are going to close all your open positions. So automatically, all my open positions were closed, and majority of them were carrying negatives because the strategy I was using was opening multiple positions at the same time. Some of them will close in profit. Those ones that are not closing profits will be going in carrying the losses. So anyway, I got all the open position closed, and the account went down from 5,000 to something like $150 or $200. So that's the end of that account, right? Will I be happy for that? No way. I was very sad because I've seen my account grow to 5,000 US dollars and now I have nothing left. Should I give up trading then? Well, if somebody give up at this stage, I would not blame them and I would not even criticize them because they can't continue to lose their money and not getting it back. So, but somebody will say, no, I want to try again. But this time, differently. You can't do the same thing all the time expecting different result. So you have to change something when you fail. So when I saw what I did wrong, so I corrected my mistake. And I think I gave myself about 4 weeks, corrected my mistake. Remember, the strategy worked perfectly. There's no problem with the strategy. The problem is with money management, how you control the size of your positions. So, and then another thing that I introduce is to withdraw my profit constantly. So within 4 weeks of resting, I've refunded my life account again, but this time around with 5,000 US dollars. 5,000 US dollars. And my new strategy is to use the same way I was trading, no change. But the difference this time is I said each time I grow my account by 10%, I will withdraw that 10% profit. I will withdraw the 10%. And I will not overtrade. I will use the same lot size throughout. We never change the lot size. Same lot size. Once the account grow by 10%, I withdraw it. So I started, and once my account went from $5,000 to $5,500, that's 10% increase, I withdraw the $500 into my real account, not trading account, into my bank account. And I keep doing this. So sometimes within 3 days, I will get the 10%. Sometimes it takes about 4 days. In a week, sometimes I get 2 or 3, 10% increase in profit. Well, within 4 weeks, within a month, I have withdrawn more than 10 times. So I've withdrawn $500 more than 10 times. It means I've actually got back my 100%. Okay, so now the difference now is that I have a winning mentality this time. Reason is because I withdraw the money into my real account, which I can use the money for anything I like to buy. Then it gives me that mentality, that psychology that I am part of the 5% winners. So your money is not sitting with the broker anymore. Your money is sitting with you at home. So you are a winner. So that success brings more success. That is number one. Secondly, I can then repeat the same thing I did that took my account from $5,000 to $5,500. I repeat the same thing over and over and over again. So you see, you can repeat this and your 10% or whatever percentage you have set has become your residual income. So you could receive this residual income on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, depending on when the income is generated. So guys, this is how I move from being burning down my account to actually capitalizing and learning from my mistake. So guys, I just want to bring it quickly to you so that I can encourage you in case you are struggling or in case you are thinking of giving up. I would say look at what has happened to you in the past, study it carefully, look at your account, your trading journal, see where you have gone wrong, make some adjustments and come back stronger. Okay, I hope this has benefited you, and if it does, you can give me a thumbs up on this video. And also, in this video, in the description, I will add the broker I use into this description. This broker, they are honest broker. You can withdraw your money anytime with no question asked. Because one of the problems with broker is they take your money, But when about to withdraw it, there will be a lot of questions and there will be troubles. But with this broker, you withdraw your money anytime, any day. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. It's Dari.